ये स्टेबल क्यों नहीं हो रहा? Hello guys and welcome back to another video of my channel. Hope you all are good. On the previous part of this video, we'll learn about the manipulation part. So now we are on the second part and the final part also. And if you haven't watched the first part of this video, I'll mention it on the I button. I don't know, here is or here, whatever. So let's move back to today's topic. So guys, let me tell you why I'm doing this redesign series. Why do I do book cover redesigning when the launch designs are so much successful in marketing? According to me, forget the design part and start it from the a fresh mind map, a new structure. Everything is new and completely fresh. It inspires also me to create from different perspectives. It brought different kind of thinkings to me, and I believe this is not important only for a graphic designer or an artist, and it is also important for a human being. So without wasting any time, let's get back to Illustrator. We'll select the measurement in centimeter. The color mode must have to be in CMYK because of the user will print it, so they need higher resolution files, and CMYK is the best for printing file. Okay, so height will be 19.5. Okay, good. And width is 13, little bit low. Okay, this is good. We'll change it from here. And the width, this part, this is 1.5. Let me measure it first. This is 1.2, so we'll create another rectangle. Yeah, and 1.2. The width, 3. Okay, this is good. 2.1 is enough. Sorry. And we have to copy this one by Alt and then left click. Yeah, enough. Perfect for this. So now we'll insert the manipulation part. So let's take it. Okay, so it's now here. Holding Shift and Alt. Good. We'll place this anchor on this here, and this anchor to this, and always press Shift. And yeah, I will crop the little bit part of this. So let's crop it. Okay. Here is enough. And this. Good. Yeah, and this part will be this part of this book. So firstly we have to type the name of the book here. Okay, so let's get started. We have done the most of the work in Photoshop, so the rest of the work is about designings and writing names, etc. So let's start that. Firstly, we'll type the name Journey to the Center of the Earth by Jules Verne here, this part. So yeah, let's start it. Text tool for, text tool using T. Journey. URANY, journey. So in the case of creating this kind of professional book covers, we really have to focus on the fonts and the colors. So we'll do that right now. So let's see. For font, we'll select this one. Yeah, and then we have to select the color. So I'm thinking to pick this color. Little bit similar with the manipulation pick. So yeah, hope it will work out. Let's see. Is this done? Yeah, this looks quite pretty. So why I choose this font? This font seems a little bit futuristic, and especially the italic shape of the font represents the adventure mostly. Good. We'll create an outline also. So we'll create this stroke also. So the stroke color is black. Little bit much. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Not too much, little bit. I'm doing this 30. Yeah. Good. Journey 2. And I'm preferring this in white. So let's see how it looks. I think I have to change something here. Into the, it's quite similar, so I have to do something else. So I will create the outline and I will modify as my wish. So let's just create outline, and I will add stroke on it. 2 is fine, and change, remove color, and it seems perfect to me because both are in same italic shape and even they are from same font family. So yeah, there's nothing awkward kind of situation in the fonts. Yeah, good. So journey to the center, I'm using this font also. Does it look like little bit Fast and Furious or something? I don't know, but it seems to me to learn. And for the of the, we'll create the same process as to the. Yeah, and this is done. Should I reduce the font stroke? Let's see it. Yeah, and it looks quite futuristic and perfect for science fiction movies or books covers. Comment down your opinion below. Yeah, and journey to the center of the rest one is Earth, and I'm thinking to create it from different font family, and I'm thinking to change the font family of the Earth because the main spotlight focuses on the word Earth, and though this adventure is based on the center of the Earth, so yeah, hope it will work. So let's do it. And I okay. Now which font? This. So I have to reduce the stroke, and this a little bit higher. Is this good? This one is a little bit down. No, I think I should keep these in lines. Okay, Control R. Okay. Fine. And I think this one is quite better from the previous one. Yeah, and we'll type the word Jules Verne. But and for the author name, I'm changing the font again. So I think impact is fine on that. Let's try with it. For this, we'll use the impact font. So yeah, impact is quite good on that. Let's see. Too big. Hope this will work. And yeah, it's good. Should I try something gradient or something? Let's try it. So the name of the writer Jules Verne is currently on just a simple white letter. So what about if we touches a little bit of gradient? Yeah, let's try it. So I'm applying gradient, and I will change the black to gray or something. Yeah, this one. And let's see how it looks. Sorry. Yeah, I think this is good. From the upper part of the letters we'll get a slight touch of grey and the rest is on white. Yeah, impressive. And we'll change the font here because when the book is like standing on this and here action doesn't work much. I think impact will work better on here. So yeah, let's get started. So the side part and the front part is completely done. And yeah, one more thing, I'm not adding any publishers because I don't found the logo of these publishers, so I don't want to give credit to another publisher. Yeah, that is the main thing. Sorry. Now we'll do the back part. This. So we'll see two partitions here. On this part we'll get a picture and on this part we'll get an introduction of this book, and here some barcodes and blah blah, and here is the company. So let's go. So now we'll make two partitions here. So where is the pic? I'm adding this picture. Wait. And now we'll crop. Right click, crop image. Okay. And half of the, wait, this. So it will, and yeah, this looks good. Resize it. So we have done this part, and now we'll complete this section of this book. So let's write it down. So hope you like this video, and this is the final part of it. We'll come back again with such a kind of series. And one more thing, don't forget to showing love by like and subscribe our channel. And we'll meet again soon with the next video. So stay tuned with us. Bye.